Yelp is a platform where people can post reviews about a business. These reviews can make or break your future deals. Assure your customers by adding Yelp reviews into your website. Let's show you how you can do that. To set up Yelp, head over to your WP Social Ninja dashboard. Select Yelp here. You will need the API key and your place ID. Just paste them here. If you don't have your API key, click here. It will take you to the Yelp website. Log into your account. In the next page, fill in the required info. Provide an app name, select the industry, provide contact email, and add a suitable description that suits your business well. Hit create new app. That will create your app. And once that's done, you will find your API key here. Just copy it and paste it here. Place the place ID. If you don't have it, just click here and follow the link. It will lead you to yelp.com. Search for your restaurant or business. Copy the URL after slash, paste it here and hit save. That's it, your business is now connected to your website. You can add multiple businesses by following the same steps. However, this process will only fetch a few reviews you got on Yelp. If you want to showcase all the reviews of your business, you'll have to apply for Yelp Fusion Enterprise. And when they approve, you'll be able to display all your reviews. Once your Yelp has been configured, let's move on to the template part. Hit create a template. This will take you to the page where you can customize and create your desired template. You'll have two sections to work with, general and style. Wanna see what the general section has in store for you? Let's go. The first thing you will be shown in general is source. As we are creating this template from Yelp, the Yelp source is selected by default. Now, click on the template to choose from 9 different template styles. You can even change the layout type, select how many columns or previews you want to display. There's another option here. See the small desktop icon? You can change it to set up different settings for different devices such as mobile, tablet, or desktop. You can make it totally responsive. You can utilize the pagination to customize the layout even more. If you choose to select badge or slider, you will be offered additional options for your template. Here you can customize how your reviews will look if you choose to go with the badge or slider. Filters let you do exactly what it sounds. You can even choose how many numbers of reviews you want to show on your website. You can even have the options to hide low rating reviews if you want. Want to hide reviews of a scammer or highlight the reviews of a happy customer? Do that with the filter by include or exclude option. Say you have multiple products, you can filter your reviews based on a single product or multiple products. Just select the product or products and WP Social Ninja will do the rest. Let's move on to settings now. Here you can decide whether you want to show ratings and in which rating style. See this list here? You can choose to show or hide every single one of these items. You have the option to make all your reviews the same height, trim reviews after certain words, and edit content type. The header options let you play with the header and customize it however you like. You can either display the header or choose to hide it if you want. There are many options that you can customize here. Toggle the schema snippet button to reveal the settings. Add your business logo and your legitimate business name. Next up, you have to provide the business type following from the schema.org business type list and also your phone number. Last up, add your fallback average rating and fallback total rating. Though, WP Social Ninja will automatically gather the rating if you don't include it. Once the general section has been done, let's move on to the style section. WP Social Ninja lets you customize everything. From the style option, you will find all the options once you toggle this to enable. And now, you can edit how the elements of all these options are gonna look. We start at the header. From the drop-down, you can change the text color. You can literally pick any color for your text, so we definitely are going for our brand's accent colors here. Typography lets you customize the way each text will be shown to your viewers. It lets you change the style, weight, etc. You will find background color and padding options in pagination and review box. All the elements are almost the same for every option except for the last few. If you are wondering what these icons do, they let you switch within different devices so you can fix how your feed will look on every kind of device. Very important. Voila! Yelp review template has been created successfully. Now you can show all the awesome reviews that you receive on Yelp directly on your website. To know more about WP Social Ninja plugin, make sure to subscribe to WPManageNinja and hit the bell icon.